Friends, this is Zarya. It was the very first room of the station. Everywhere you look, there are wires and pipes running in every direction. Feels a little messy, right? But from here, this whole magnificent home in orbit began. Watch how everything just floats, weightless and quiet. Now you might be wondering how we actually sleep up here. Let me show you. This little closet is our bedroom. See this blue bag strapped to the wall? That's the bed. We zip ourselves in like a warm cocoon, so in the night you don't drift off and bump into a computer or a switch panel. It's surprisingly comfortable. This is our little kitchen on the station. You won't see plates or forks out here. Everything stays in these pouches, clipped down with velcro so it doesn't wander off. Drinks come in packets like this orange juice. Give it a squeeze and the liquid forms a tiny globe that floats around. Grabbing it is...
Yes, this is half the fun. Meals heat up right in the bag and you've got choices. Spinach, curry pasta, peaches, everything you need just in a different form. No gravity, no mess. Living up here means staying fit. This is our gym. Without gravity, our bones and muscles would weaken, so we put in about 2 hours. Ask about this. How do we use the bathroom up here? Well, this is the spot. There is no flush. Instead, we rely on a vacuum system that pulls everything away. You line up on the seat or use the hose for liquids, and the airflow takes care of the rest. It looks a little complicated, and it is at first, but the Destiny Lab. It's our floating workshop where we run experiments you just can't do on Earth. Whether it's exploring new cancer treatments or figuring out how to grow plants without soil, this room is pushing the edge of human knowledge. Every leaf in that chamber is feeding us data on how life adapts to microgravity.
Take a breath. This is the cupola, maybe the most beautiful corner of the whole International Space Station. It's a round little room built by the European Space Agency. And now we step into what's basically our garage, the Quest airlock. Whenever we need to head outside into open space, this is the room we use. Those white suits hanging on the wall, each one is a miniature spaceship, oxygen, cooling, comms, even propulsion for small moves. We have the radiators line array and metal drifting in the dark. Truss they're mounted to is our backbone. It carries power, coolant and data from one end of the station to the other, and it keeps these panels pointed at the sun as we orbit. Simple and all as easy as it looks. Out here, tiny bits of rock and metal race around at the speed of bullets. Every so often, one of them clips the station. This little scar on the window is from a micrometeoroid about the size of a grain of sand. Small, but at 7 kilometers a second it can... How did you like this little tour of the International Space Station? Turns out, when humans set their mind to it, we can build a home even among the stars. Next time, we'll head somewhere else, another place with its own mysteries to uncover. Until then, goodbye from space.
If you like this video, please like and share for next part.